Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the Essence Soft Touch Mousse Makeup Foundation, and I'm also using the shade 04 Ivory. Now let's go ahead and see what tools you will need. Starting off with a good moisturizer. If you aren't sure what moisturizer you should pick, I definitely can also recommend you checking out this video right here, which is also good for all skin types. Then if you have a favorite primer at home, also go ahead and grab your primer. And then lastly, we are going to apply the mousse foundation. And I'm also going to show you two methods. One's with a foundation brush, which is also a little bit dense, and the other side with your fingers. So let's get started. For the first step, it's important that you're choosing a suitable moisturizer also for your skin type, as this can already help you to smoothen the skin as well as give your foundation later on a beautiful finish. Use a small amount, use it also between your fingers, and then gently apply it all over the face using circular motions. And then once you're done with blending it into the skin, just wait at least 30 seconds to a minute to also let it soak into the skin before moving on. So if you have a favorite primer that you want to use before applying the foundation, then go ahead, and this is now the time where you're going to use it. In this case, I'm using one with a dropper. Use a small amount of it in your hands and then gently use it between your fingers before applying it onto the skin. And then gently apply it all over the face until it feels comfortable and you have covered the main areas. And now we are ready to move on to the last step. So now I'm going to show you how you can apply the Essence Soft Touch Mousse Foundation. And for method number 1, I'm going to show you how it applies with a foundation brush. Now use a bit of product on your foundation brush, and then you can start off on the main area such as the cheek area and blend it outwards. And also use circular motions to make sure that you're really blending it into the skin. What's really important with this foundation is that less is more. If you want to get an even and also skin-like finish, you shouldn't use too much product, otherwise it will look too thick and also a little bit weird because of the mousse texture. So make sure that it's going to even out your skin tone by just using a bit. And also start from the inside of your face area and move outwards. This way you have a better blend and also a little bit more control of how much product you're going to use. Now I'm going to show you how you can apply the Essence Mousse Foundation with your fingers. So go ahead and grab a bit on your finger and then use it on the back of your hand. This way it's easier to also control the amount of product you're going to use. And again, start from the center of the face and blend it outwards, similar as you also would apply a moisturizer in this case, because you're going to use circular motions to blend it into the skin. And you can do this with your cheek, chin, and also forehead area. Just make sure that you're not ending up with any weird textured feelings, and also that the application is evenly. Again, with this one, it's also important that you're not using too much, otherwise it can look really strange on the skin. We want to have a natural finish so that it also looks like skin later on, plus evens out the skin tone. So remember to start off with a good moisturizer that's also suitable for your skin type. Then you can move on to your favorite primer. And also, when it comes to the foundation and how you should apply it, keep it very simple and also don't use too much, because this is definitely a foundation that will give you the best finish if you're using less. If you're using too much, then it can look very thick and also weird on the skin, which we don't want. Now, this was the video that I wanted to share with you on how you can apply the Essence Soft Touch Mousse Foundation, and I also do hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did so, don't forget to give the thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!